However, the Infinix Smart 8 was released last month, which is a successor to the Infinix Smart 7 that was released earlier this year. And honestly speaking, I didn't really expect Infinix to release this particular smartphone this year. I was expecting them to release it around maybe next year or something like that. But yeah, here we have it. So yeah, this phone actually comes in with two variants, which is the 3GB RAM with 64GB internal storage, and the 4GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. And with that being said, let's talk about the Infinix Smart 8. Alright, so let's start first with the pricing. The Infinix Smart 8 actually has two variants, as I said earlier on, and the first one on my list that I was talking about is the one with 3GB of RAM, which is actually priced at around 86,000 naira, and then the one for 4GB of RAM is actually priced around 96,000 naira, or almost 100,000 naira or thereabouts. The Infinix Smart 8 actually has four different colors: the timber black, shiny gold, crystal green, and the galaxy white. The Infinix Smart 8 actually weighs 184 grams. The build of this particular smartphone, the Infinix Smart 8, actually comprises of the glass front, obviously, and also the plastic back and also plastic frame. And about the SIM slot, it's actually a nano SIM card slot, so you are actually safe. You can actually use two SIM cards in this smartphone. Talking about the screen, this screen is actually an IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 500 nits. The screen size is actually 6.6 inches screen with 720 by 1612 pixels, which is quite good if you ask me for this price. And the platform which this particular smartphone, the Infinix Smart 8, is running on is the Android 13 operating system and the Unisoc T606 processor, and the T606 chipset, which is quite, the chipset on ITEL phones. It's very popular with ITEL devices, and it could have been better if they actually used the MediaTek processor, maybe the MediaTek Helio G85 processor. But yeah, this is what you actually have on the Infinix Smart 8. No problem. And keep in mind that your storage can actually be expanded with an SD card. The main camera is actually a 30 megapixels camera. It can actually handle basic tasks. It can actually shoot basic photos and videos with ample lighting. Great lighting. It's actually important to mention that it actually comes in with an LED or a ring type LED flashlight, which is quite beautiful if you ask me. And as for the videos, the main camera can actually shoot at 1080p 30 frames per second. Now let's go back to the selfie camera. Selfie camera also is an 8 megapixels camera, which can actually shoot at 1080 30 frames per second. Awesome. It actually comes in with a loudspeaker, 2.0 USB-C ports that supports OTG, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and also a microphone. It also comes in with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, FM radio, but no NFC, which is okay for the price. And as for the fingerprint, we actually have a side-mounted fingerprint, which is quite normal right now. And for the batteries, we actually have a 5000 mAh battery, which can actually be charged using 10 watts charger. And it's actually wired also, and also a reversed wired charging host. To charge up this smartphone should actually take you around 3 hours or even more. And yeah, 3 to 4 hours basically. Thank you very much for watching this video. What do you actually think about this video, or what do you think about this particular smartphone? Drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and also follow, subscribe for more tips like this. Stay tech savvy. Now see you when you see me. Peace.